Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bethany Lynn, back at you guys with another video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Today I am going to be doing a turmeric mask video for you guys. I've been seeing a lot of videos on it and I've been hearing good results. It's supposed to help with hyperpigmentation, and basically what that is when you have darker spots on your skin. It's supposed to help kind of even it out, lighten them up for you. Just make you look like you have some smooth, nice skin. That's why I'm sitting in this natural sunlight, so we can actually see all my areas. But yeah, definitely under my eyes I could use it. See if it really works for me anyway, because everybody's skin is different, everybody reacts differently. So yeah, I want to try that out and let you guys see the results and all that good stuff. But yeah, so before we get started, I need you guys to like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell, and also share. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this and hope you guys will find it helpful as well, because it's not a lot of ingredients involved at all. Matter of fact, it's only 2 ingredients that I'm using. There's other masks that you can use that involve more than 2, but I figured, hey, I just want to keep it simple and see what I think of it, and then just go and kind of go from there. So yeah, we'll just get into the video. Okay guys, so starting off, let's see how this goes. I'm using a teaspoon, and it's in this little shaker, so it's not acting the greatest. I'm gonna use 2. Ooh, look y'all, you know what, to be honest, you don't have to have an exact measurement. You just kind of eye it. And that's what it looks like, real orangey. And then next, some honey. And actually, I am going to be using a tablespoon for the honey. Okay guys, so here's what it looks like. There we go. It kind of looks like sweet potatoes, yams, baby food stuff. And it also looks a little bit like caramel. Ooh, yes, see, caramel is my favorite. But hey, it don't smell like caramel. It really don't have too much of a smell to it, which is good. This is good. Okay, you're gonna get you a brush. I'm just using a makeup brush that I have. And you guys, this stuff is, turmeric is actually good for inflammation as well. It really helps with any type of issues, arthritis. I had a period in time where I was going through gastritis, and I started taking turmeric, and let me tell you, y'all, that really helped. It helped work wonders. So, and it's got antioxidants in it, so it's just really good to use all around. People cook with it too, but you know what, I ain't never cooked with it before. I'm kind of scared to try it for some reason. Something about the orange color throws me off just a little bit. And y'all, to be honest, it actually feels it feels soothing. I don't know, it's kind of relaxing. And with this honey in there, it's supposed to help add moisture to your skin. Honey is a humectant, so it absorbs real good into your skin, and it gives you that moisture, so it helps keep your skin from being dry. And it's really calming. Like it don't feel tingly or anything like that. It feels really soothing and cool. I was kind of hesitant about using this stuff because I was like, I got sensitive skin. So I did a skin patch test before I started. And I just did it on the back of my hand and left it on there for about 5-10 minutes, and it did okay. So you guys want to do that first, just to be on the safe side so that you don't have an allergic reaction to it. Look at it, it's dripping now. It's probably the honey that's making it do that. And also, you guys be careful that it doesn't get in your eyes. I'm pretty sure we don't want any of this stuff in our eyes. But I am going to rub it over my eyebrows. I don't think that could hurt anything unless it lightens them some. If it does, hey, that's okay. That is okay too. Because that's what eyebrow pencils are for. And you guys, I also have a spot. Let me show you real quick. A spot on my ankle, if you guys can see that. I'm gonna put it right there as well. I'm gonna see if that works. See if I can get any results from that, because for some strange reason it's just on that ankle. I don't know who are, if a lot of you guys out there have that problem, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try it. Hopefully, I'm sure it won't hurt anything, but I was like, I'm gonna try it because it's been there for a couple years now. And I'm like, what can I use to make that go away? So I put that on there and see if I see any results as well. So yeah, I'm gonna let this sit on here for about 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm gonna set my timer, and then after that, I will be right back and show you guys what it's looking like. Okay, you guys, so this is how much I had left of it. So I'm just going to store the rest of it and just put it in the refrigerator, I believe. Yeah, I think I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. So yeah, I think maybe next time I'll make a little bit more, and that way I don't have to worry about making it for the next couple of days. But yeah, that's how much was left. Alright guys, so 10 minutes up. 10 minutes is up. I set my timer for 10 minutes, but like I say, you can do 10, 15 minutes, even 20 minutes. It's all up to you. But look, this is what I figured out about this. I think next time I need to make it a little bit thicker. So I think I need to put a little bit more turmeric, probably a little bit more turmeric in it. So that way it won't run so much. I think it's the honey being warm, or my skin being warm and making the honey kind of drip, kind of melt a little bit. But so, yeah, that's what it looks like. It's not dry or anything. It's still moist and sticky. So I am gonna wash it. I'm actually gonna use warm water, not too hot, not too cold. So I'm gonna use lukewarm in the middle there. No, I'm excited though to see if it helps with the lightning, to see if it does what it really says it's gonna do. But like I say, everybody's skin is different, so hopefully mine will take it and be able to notice the difference. It's a little gritty, kind of almost like a exfoliating scrub, like a scrub. And like I say, be careful around the eyes, y'all. You don't want to get it in your eyes, so be very careful around the eyes. All right, I'll be right back. Once again, I'll be back. All right, guys, so I am back. I don't know if it's just all in my head or what, but I don't know if I really see a difference just yet. I know some people have said they noticed a difference right away, but yeah, I don't really notice a difference. But like I said, I'm excited. I'm anxious to see what it'll look like the next couple of days, see if it's working for me. So yeah, had to get me some grease. I needed to put some grease on these bad boys. A little dry there. So yeah, so I will basically keep you guys updated. I'll make a video on the 5th day probably, just so we can see the final results. And like I said, I'm gonna do it for 5 days, and I think after that, if I do notice results, then I will do it, but I probably won't do it every day. I may skip a few days between every other day or every 2 days. But yeah, so you guys just stick around, stay tuned, look out for that next video, and yeah, hope you guys learned something from this. Like I said, it was really easy to make. Yeah, I'm just looking at my skin, don't mind me. Alright guys, so thank you guys for watching once again, and like, comment, subscribe, share, and ring that bell. And yeah, look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Alright, remember, peace, love, and God bless. Oh, you guys, also, I wanted to tell you, like, some people notice when they wipe their mask off, they notice like a yellow tone to their skin. My thing is, I used honey, so that might have helped dilute it some, take down some of that concentration, so it's not so strong and so potent on your skin where it won't stain it. Because that stuff, it can stain. It can stain a little bit. I've noticed in some videos people had like a yellow cast to their skin. So maybe using the honey might help a little bit more versus than just using water. Something about the honey, it may soak it up a little bit better than what water does. So yeah, that's just a little side note to maybe keep in mind. So if you do get that yellow in your skin, don't freak out. Just try to remember. Maybe next time use honey. Just a thought.